There's 33 million landmines buried in this area.
They use these signs to keep enemies away from their villages. Just means that we are almost there, bro. Come on, let's go.
Come on, Mike.
I've just had a premonition. Maybe.
Tommy. No, don't move! This is in a minefield! Boom! You think this is funny?
Why are you stuck?
My left foot is on top of a mine!
You're sure?
Do you see this body?
He found his peace now, but you alive. You must take next step now.
No. Next. Where are you going?
You need to keep moving on.
And why are you walking like that? I'm on a mine, so there's no next step for me!
Let's go to move on, soldier. We're going home. I'm not going anywhere.
You very lucky man.
Here we go again.
Why you no free man?
Obviously, I didn't know there was a mine here when I put my foot on it. I don't know where the mines are, like you do.
We don't know where the mines are.
You know the right path.
If I walk straight on minefield, now or later, I step on mine. Sure. Become free man.
Stay alive, man.